Hello, this is John Bain. Today I want to show you a special utility, an online utility that I use very frequently every time I use a browser to log onto the internet, whether it's Firefox or Chrome or Internet Explorer. I've set a ProtoPage as my home page. ProtoPage is a free utility that you can use. You see that I've set mine up and named it the John D. Bain ProtoPage. Proto just means first. And so this is the first page that comes up. I set it as my default home page for all of my browsers. And in any of your browsers, you're going to have a way of keeping up with bookmarks that they offer. Firefox, you just do a drop down here and you see all the but they come down as a drop down list. Doesn't seem to be as efficient to me. So if you go to Google or Bain or Yahoo, whichever is your favorite search engine, just type in ProtoPage, P-R-O-T-O-P-A-G-E, just one word, and you'll find a link that'll bring you here. And it says welcome to ProtoPage. If you have not already done so, click here to create your own ProtoPage and start experimenting. So you can do that. And it has several tabs, and you can just have tabs running all the way across the screen if you want to. I have bookmarks. I don't have it go to the home page. I have a Dilbert comic strip widget placed there. It's got a little tab up in the upper right. It's called Add Widgets, and you can put cartoons there. Here's a tab that shows the most current Fox headline news. Lifehacker is a website that deals with things that computer geeks might be interested in. But for bookmarks, these are all the different things that that I go to frequently. My Facebook page, FileHippo, Goodreads, movie places, book places. These are places that I visit often, and so I've got them right here. You do have a ribbon right along the close to the top here that has some very popularly visited places, and it takes you right to them. When I click on something, for instance, if I clicked on I have Google up here in my Firefox bookmarks toolbar, but I've also got it here, and if I click on that, it creates another tab and goes to that, so I can have the ProtoPage open and Google as well. But let's add something here. Let's see if I was going to add my own website. I'm going to go here to this tab where the Google tab, and just type in http:// www.johndbain.com, and it'll take me to that page. Now if you're on that page, you see there's the address in the address bar at the top. If you click on the address bar, it'll highlight it, and then you can do edit, copy, then come back to ProtoPage, and over here on the right hand side of the ribbon it says edit, and then I can grab the scroll bar and pull it down. This is the list here. It's just the kind of like the text list, and I would put John D. Bain website, and then click on the space out beside that to the right and go up to edit and do paste, and it pastes there. And you have some arrows here beside the link that I just created, and so you can pull that up and down and put it anywhere you want to. And if you wanted to put it in alphabetical order, that seems to be the most logical. But you will then want to click save. I'm just going to leave it down there at the bottom for right now. And so there it is at the bottom. I already have it. I've already done that particular site, and it's right there in alphabetical order. And then if you ever decide you want to delete a website or a bookmark, you just go to that place wherever it's at, and there's an X at the right hand end. Click on that, makes it go away, and then save. I've got a Bible link here, and there was some online Bible study tools. There are links. For instance, there's an interlinear Greek New Testament. It has every book of the New Testament, and then if you click on chapter 1 of Matthew, it'll show you the Greek text and also the English words, the translation words beneath them. So that's pretty cool. I've got a notes tab here, but I'm not going to show it because it's a list of passwords and hints, password hints and reminders and account numbers and things like that. When you set up your ProtoPage, you'll be given the opportunity to set up a password for it, so nobody can access your ProtoPage except you unless they have your password. If you don't give it to them, they won't have it. So it's very secure, and I can't always keep a list of passwords around with me wherever I go. But this page is actually not on my computer. It's not stored on my computer. It's stored on the ProtoPage mainframe, and that means it's out there on the web. It's on the internet. So if I'm in an airport, if I'm borrowing a friend's computer, if I'm at the public library using their computer, all I have to do is log in to this page, and I will have all of my links. I can take them with me anywhere I go. Actually, they're not taking them with me. They're waiting for me wherever I go. So I really like this. I recommend it to you. And if you'd like to set your own up, if you have any trouble, let me know. I'll be glad to help you. But this is a really handy thing. And I work with a lot of clients, and sometimes they say, what about my bookmarks? Now also, if you ever change computers, if your old computer crashes or you upgrade, I was working with a client only last week, and they had a brand new computer. It had Windows 8.1 on it, and they were trying to figure out how do I get my bookmarks back. Well, and there are several ways to transfer or save bookmarks, but it's usually a little bit more complicated than most novices want to deal with. But if you have a program like this that you use online, whatever you set up as a bookmark, you could change computers 2 or 3 times or 100 times, and whenever you log on to the internet, this is going to be there waiting for you. So that's a good idea. Give it a whirl. I believe you'll like it as much as I do.